Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your fitness goals with MyFitnessPal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your fitness goals with MyFitnessPal, start by downloading the app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create a free account. Sign up using your email address or connect through your social media accounts. Next, enter your personal information, including your age, weight, height, and fitness goals. The app will use this data to calculate your daily calorie needs. After setting up your profile, you'll be taken to the home screen. Here, you can begin logging your meals. Tap the Add Food button to start tracking your daily intake. You can search for food items from the extensive database or scan barcodes for quick entry. As you add food items, MyFitnessPal will automatically calculate your calorie consumption. To track your exercise, navigate to the Exercise tab on the home screen. Select Add Exercise and search for the activity you performed. Input the duration and intensity of your workout to get an accurate calorie burn. MyFitnessPal will adjust your remaining calorie allowance based on the exercise logged. Set reminders to log your meals and workouts at specific times throughout the day. Consistently logging your food and exercise will help you stay on track. To analyze your progress, head to the Progress tab. Here, you can view graphs that show your weight changes over time. Use the Goals section to adjust your calorie targets as needed. Engage with the community forums for tips and motivation from other users. Consider linking MyFitnessPal to wearable fitness devices for more precise tracking. Stay committed by setting short-term challenges to keep the journey exciting. Regularly reflect on your progress and adjust your goals accordingly. Utilizing MyFitnessPal effectively can lead to significant improvements in your fitness journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.